and we're starting off our measurement unit today. So the first thing we're going to talk about is length. I'm hoping a lot of this is going to be a review for you, but length is obviously a measurement of how long something is. There are common units that we use to measure length. So the expectation is that you'll be able to identify units of measurement for length as opposed to, for example, weight or speed or something else. Okay, so obviously we use the metric system here in Australia, and so the common measurements for common units for weight are millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. And I've just given a couple of examples. The width of a pencil would probably use millimeters, maybe an ant or a starburst lolly for a centimeter. For a meter, it might be your stride length or your height, or it could be, you know, the table or desk you use. You might use meters. For a city block, you'd probably use kilometers. So you guys are aware that it's easy to convert between the different metric units. You're just multiplying or dividing by units of 10. We have already gone through that. If you're converting between units of measurement, it's really wise to use the does that make sense rule, where you look at it and you say, does that make sense that a person would actually be half a kilometer tall? Okay, I've made a mistake. So just use that sense rule to check your conversions and make sure it actually makes sense. Okay, easy peasy. So today we're just going to talk for a minute about perimeter. Perimeter is a measurement of length. It's the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape. So you're going to be expecting a measurement of the perimeter to be in a unit that measures length. So it's easy, so easy. It's calculated just by adding up all of the lengths of the side of your two-dimensional shape. And it's just important to remember that they're all in the same unit, that you don't have some meters and some centimeters before you do the adding. All right, so let's look at a few examples. Okay, so we've got our equilateral triangle. Each of the three sides is 5 centimeters long. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, we know that that's 15. So the perimeter of that triangle is 15 centimeters. Easy. And if we look here, we've got a rectangle. Well, only 2 of the sides are marked. No problem, because we know that both sides of the rectangle are going to be equal. So that this must be 3 plus 3, so that's 6. Add that to the 5 plus 5, that's 10. And we get 16 meters. That's our perimeter of that rectangle. Okay, we've got a very awkward shape, but we still need to know the perimeter. That's okay. Once again, you just add up all the sides. So here we've got 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. And we've ended up with 30 millimeters. And that's our perimeter of this awkward shape. Okay, that's all we're going to do to start out our unit on measurement for the day. So watch this space, and next we'll be looking at area. Okay, good luck with perimeter.